The Beaches podcast is going to give you everything you want to know about a beach before you go there. I hope you enjoy the show. Be sure to check out our website, www.sandee.com. Without further ado, let's get into the show.
Ready to swap out those sweaters for swim trunks?
Always up for that.
Well, good, because today's deep dive, we're heading straight to the heart of the Caribbean, Anguilla.
Ah, Anguilla. Now there's a place that knows how to do a beach vacation right.
Right. We're talking those pristine, picture-perfect beaches you dream about escaping to.
Exactly. And it's not just the beaches themselves, it's that feeling you get when you arrive, that instant tranquility.
Right. Now you've got my attention. You know I'm all about those vibes.
Oh, Anguilla's got them in spades. Imagine this. Over 30 different beaches, each one practically begging you to kick back and relax. We're talking soft, powdery sand, the kind that whispers as you walk on it.
Okay, over 30 beaches. That's a lot of options. We're going to need some recommendations.
Don't worry, I've got you covered. If I had to pick a favorite, it'd have to be Shoal Bay East.
Shoal Bay East. What's so special about this one?
Well, it consistently ranks among the best in the world, and for good reason. Picture this, a mile-long stretch of that perfect sand I mentioned, crystal clear turquoise water.
Oh, I see where you're going with this.
And just enough of a breeze to keep things comfortable.
All right, you've sold me. But what sets it apart from all the other amazing beaches in the world?
Balance. It's got that secluded feel, lush vegetation and coral reefs just offshore. But there are also these charming little beach bars and restaurants dotted along the sand when you need a break from the sun.
You had me at beach bars.
Right.
Speaking of which, a lot of these idyllic escapes come with, luxurious places to stay nearby.
Oh.
What's the resort scene like in Anguilla?
Think of it this way. Anguilla and luxury, they practically go hand in hand.
Okay, now we're talking. Tell me more.
Imagine this. You wake up in your own private villa, step out onto your patio, and have your morning coffee overlooking the ocean.
You're speaking my language. Sign me up.
Exactly. And those are just the private villas. Many resorts are nestled right alongside those pristine beaches, offering everything from infinity pools that seem to blend into the horizon to world-class spas where you can truly unwind.
Okay, but no luxury experience is complete without incredible food. What does Anguilla bring to the table, literally?
Get ready for a culinary adventure. Being an island, fresh seafood is king. And when I say fresh, I mean fresh lobster grilled to perfection, conch fritters bursting with flavor.
I'm already sold.
And snapper, prepared in ways you wouldn't believe.
Lobster, conch snapper. All right, you're speaking my love language now. Anything else we should be on the lookout for?
Don't miss out on the local specialties. Curried goat, slow-cooked to tender perfection, is a must-try.
Oh, no, that's a dish that just melts in your mouth.
Absolutely. And you absolutely have to experience Anguillian pigeon peas and rice.
What's in that?
It's this flavorful dish made with pigeon peas, of course, rice, coconut milk, and spices. It's basically the taste of the island.
All right, so we've got the stunning beaches, luxurious accommodations, delicious food. There's got to be a catch, right?
The catch, if you can even call it that, is that Anguilla is really all about embracing a slower pace of life. It's about disconnecting from the hustle and bustle and truly savoring the moment.
Well, when you put it that way, it doesn't sound like a bad catch at all. Sometimes that's exactly what we need.
Couldn't agree more. Anguilla is an invitation to unwind, explore, and indulge in the simple beauty of the Caribbean.
You've definitely given us a lot to think about and maybe even book a trip for.
Anytime.
So, for all you listeners dreaming of your own escape to paradise, here's something to ponder. Beyond that perfect beach, what experience will make your Anguilla trip truly unforgettable?
Thanks for listening to the show, and be sure to tune in next week for your favorite episode about some of the best beaches and beach information in the world.